Is your Spectrum Wi-Fi network not appearing in your device's Wi-Fi list? The most likely reason is that your router's SSID, or network name, is hidden. By default, Spectrum routers broadcast their SSID, making them easily visible. However, this setting can be inadvertently disabled through the router's web interface or the Spectrum app, especially after power outages or firmware updates. A hidden SSID isn't truly invisible, but it requires you to manually enter the network name and password to connect. While some believe hiding the SSID enhances security, experts consider it a minimal deterrent compared to using a strong password and the latest WPA3 encryption. To restore your Spectrum Wi-Fi's visibility, access your router's settings. You can do this through a web browser by entering your router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 168.1.1, or more easily via the Spectrum app. Log in with your admin credentials, often found on the router sticker or your Spectrum account. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings section and look for options like Broadcast SSID, Network Visibility, or similar wording. Ensure this setting is enabled. If using the Spectrum app, it may offer AI-assisted diagnostics to detect and fix the hidden SSID issue remotely. Restarting your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds can also resolve temporary glitches. Remember, broadcasting your SSID is generally recommended for most home setups for ease of use.